Welcome back, subscribers. So, hey, I've been gone for a couple weeks. Still been doing a little bit of the shorts, just seeing family. But beside the point, man, there's so much blood in the street, hence the red background that I got going on here. And before I just kind of get into the charts, this was going to happen. And this is why you need to have cash on hand. I did FOMO, and I blew a big chunk of my wad right around 28,000 because I had a feeling that, hey, I don't want to miss out because I don't want to see the worst case scenario for Bitcoin. I want to be involved. And so I bought a Bitcoin right around 28,000 to 33,000. I was kind of watching it go back and averaging from there. That was my price target. And if we look at that's where this box was. That's where I was telling myself, okay, this is where I'm accumulating. And we can see that boom, boom, boom. We broke down. And when it comes to the worst case scenario is like under 20,000. Do I think that's going to happen? No, I truthfully, I don't see it happening. I don't see it going below 2017 all-time high, and it might. I do have some extra cash on hand in case that happens, and I did buy quite a bit of coins this morning because I see the potential in crypto, and these are the times that you need to, I don't necessarily want to say be risky, but have a long-term outlook. So I bought Bitcoin was the biggest purchase that I made. The second one was Ethereum. The next one, I bought ADA. Then I bought some Link, and I picked up Solana and Avalanche. And what else did I purchase? These were smaller purchases. CRO. Just because I believe that their platform, they've spent so much money that it's going to be hard for them to go insolvent. And then Ape, because I don't have an NFT, but those guys are pretty much the OGs when it comes to NFTs. And my point is when people are greedy, it's time to kind of be scared. And this time last year, Bitcoin was at 30,000. Everyone was flipping out that they were being greedy. And yeah, we did go up to 70,000, which did happen. But right now we're way below 30,000 and everyone is incredibly fearful. The money is made when you're fearful. Like, okay, I haven't told many people this, but not that a lot of people are going to watch this video anyway. So I will just say it. In 2017, I turned $2,000 into $20,000, and I watched it go down to $3,000. Because I'm a buy and hold investor, and it was my first bit with crypto, and it was I needed the money at the time, but I just told myself no. So for the next couple of years, I just kept putting in $20 here, $20 there, $20 here, $20 there, and this last bull market, I was put about 20,000, turned it into 900 grand just in crypto. I'm not talking my stocks. And right now, I'm below 200,000 in that portfolio because I'm a buy and hold type guy. And in the way I look at it was like, hey, I started with 2,000, then I had 20,000. Now I've got 10 times as much for when this next cycle pops up. So where are things going to be when that happens? And with everything that is going on in the economy right now, with interest rates, with gas prices, with inflation being way over what they're saying with 8.5%, it's more like 20%. Just look at gas. Gas is over 100% more expensive than what it was, a year ago. It's ridiculous. But my point is like when you have some spare change, $10 a week, it can literally change your life if you're putting it into things like ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin might not change your life unless you have a good portion to put in. But it is something that you should own. And so I guess digression over, let me just look at the charts here. I did have a trade that we got rejected on the 9-day EMA. So I went short right around 26,000 and I took profits right at 23,000. Boom, it was a 500x. I had high leverage because I just was like, this could happen. I had a tight stop and, it worked out for me. I thought we were going to get to 24, but no, we broke through, and that's just kind of how Bitcoin works. The next level is right around 22,000, and we did not get that 22,500 with Ethereum. Man, dude, just followed suit. Same thing. And this has a lot to do, I believe, with just the sheer news of what's going on with Celsius freezing, the whole depegging of Luna, and all this crap. And that's where these platforms, when they're giving you a crap ton of money, 10% rewards, and it's all great, but then when the liquidity goes down, when there's not enough money to rob Peter to pay Paul, it becomes a problem. Celsius is turning into the whole anchor thing. And where do I see this going? I really don't see Ethereum going under 1,100. I really don't. But it could happen. I could completely be wrong. So I'm willing to bet and put my money where my mouth is that we're going to have a fairly decent pump from here. And like the thumbnail of my video is, when is the bear market over? Bear markets usually last between a year and a half to 3 years usually. And where are we since we got below the 200-day here? We're 157 days. So 6 months from when that happened. If we talk about since all-time highs, since we got underneath the 200-day, all-time highs, this is Ethereum. I don't know why I'm taking so long. We're a little over like 8 months-ish. 10 months. 8 months, really. So we're right in the middle of it. I don't see anything getting better by December. It could, because of the whole Ethereum merge. I personally thought that was going to kind of start the bear market, but it might be something to have like a 2018 pretty good rally bounce for stuff. But again, it's not going to be until 2024 before Bitcoin gets cut in half again, unless we see something crazy happens with the economy. So that's my prediction. Hope you guys enjoy it. Till next time, this is Johnny Crypto, here to help you make some money.